Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this smart band, basically restart. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on the settings icon to enter the settings, of course, and here scroll down and look for the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. Now find the option called Reboot and tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and now wait until the rebooting process is complete. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset or restart this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.